This is Aryan. Welcome to my channel. Let's get started. So today we're going to be preparing chicken in a sausage style. You need boneless chicken and chop it into small pieces. First, in a mixer jar, put the chopped chicken, onion, cilantro, ginger garlic paste, pepper, salt. Then grind it. This is how it looks when it's fully grinded. Take it out and put it in a bowl and put corn flour and mix it well. Make the shape of a sausage like this. Put ghee in a pan and fry the chicken sausages. Flip it over and fry it until it is golden brown. Now add water. When it is boiling, close the lid. The chicken is well cooked. We're going to put it in a plate. So the chicken is ready. I'm going to be tasting it. I really like it. Make this and comment below how you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.